everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet. I want to share with you today how to make these beautiful buntings using very simple granny squares. Crochet hook is 4.5 mm today and different colors of decay yarn. This is very easy pattern. First we will create granny triangles and then I will show you how to connect them together. Start with slip knot. I am making chain 4 and slip stitch in the first chain stitch. Chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the center. Chain 3, 3 double crochets, and again chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Chain 3, slip stitch in the third chain stitch. This is the end of round 1. Chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. This is very good project to use your scrap yarns because it takes very little and you can use all your oddballs and bits. I'm connecting pink yarn. Just tie a knot on your chain 3 space. I will show you how to weave those ends afterwards. Pick the stitch and make chain 3. Then 2 double crochets. Chain 3 will serve as your first double crochet, that's why we are only making 2 double crochets this first time. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same space. This is our first corner. Chain 2, 3 double crochets in the next chain space. Chain 3, 3 double crochets, and this is your second corner done. You have 2 corners. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the third chain space, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. You have made 3 corners. Now let's make chain 2 for the last side and connect round 2 together. Slip stitch in the third chain stitch. This is the end of round 2. Make chain 1 just to secure this end and cut the yarn. If you are using lots of colors like I do, this can be very colorful and lovely bunting. I'm attaching next color, but first let's weave the ends. You just go inside double crochets. You can use it afterwards, but I prefer to do it right now. Of course, it's possible to use the needle. And you do exactly the same with every end. I'm taking blue ends down to weave it through the bottom of double crochets. And you can cut the rest. Do the same with last end, and I will show you how to make round 3. First attaching the next color. Pick the loop and make chain 3 again. Two double crochets in the same chain space. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the corner, next chain space, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same space. We are making the corner. Two chain stitches for the side and 3 double crochets in the next chain space. So I'm making chain 2 for the side and chain 3 for the corner. And this is basically how it goes. Chain 2 again if you are on the side, 3 double crochets, they are going all around, and chain 3 for the corner. This is the only difference. Chain 3, chain 2. You can make these granny triangles as large as you want, but I'm making just 4 rounds. Chain 2, and you already can see the triangle. 2 chain stitches for the side, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets for the next corner, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. This is the last corner is done. Chain 2, slip stitch in the third chain stitch. This is the end of third round. If you want to make round 4, chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the chain space, and I'm going backwards because it's just easier for me. Chain 2, 3 double crochets for the corner, chain 3 and 3 double crochets, I'm going a little bit faster. You can slow the speed, if you go settings, playback speed, you can choose 0.5, or you can increase it and make this go even faster if you're in a rush and want just to have a look. So chain 2, if you go on the side, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and for the corner piece, 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. And here you are, lovely triangle. Finish it exactly the same, and I want to show you how to connect them together. For that, you can first make the chain as long as you want, maybe 12 inches or as long as you want, just to tie this bunting around. And I'm making double crochet in the first chain space. I decided to connect it with the same granny stitch. So 3 double crochet in the first chain space, then chain 2, 3 double crochets in the next chain space, chain 2, and this will be like additional row for your bunting. To add the next triangle, you just continue making this granny stitch, chain 2 and 3 double crochets already in the next triangle. Start with the corner piece as usual and keep going. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Click notification button. I'm going to make maybe another variety of bunting. I think it's very good for summertime, to put it in your conservatory or around the garden. Maybe if you've got a birthday celebration coming out. Anyway, it's a holiday time, and I wish you very best. Have a lovely day, and thank you for watching my tutorial. Bye for now.